Assalamu alaikum. In this video I will show you how to add background color in PDF for printing using Adobe Acrobat Pro. Let's get started. Open a PDF file. Go to Edit menu, Preference, Accessibility, Replace Document Color. Background color is added, but this color will not print. Just check the print. There have no color. You have to add color from Edit menu. Go to Tools menu, Edit PDF, and click the More, Add Background, and from Color, or Custom Color. Now check the printing. File menu, Print. Now check the background color is added. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comments and share. Thanks for watching.